Hello and welcome to my Googly Eye Chameleon Lizard makeup tutorial. To complete this look you will need a pack of googly eyes, liquid latex to glue down the googly eyes and to glue down your eyebrows, or you can use a glue stick to glue down your eyebrows. Just allow it time to dry. Some foundation cake makeup to block out the eyebrows, black eyeliner or face paint to eyeline the eyes black. You will need yellow and orange face paint, cake makeup, yellow or orange liquid glitter lipstick. Let's begin this transformation. This completes the application of painting the face. I'm now going to apply the googly eyes to my face using the liquid latex. This completes the application of my face painting and adding the googly eyes to my face. Now let's compare my face painting to my drawing. Before I move on and get into my costume, I want to show you a quick prop that I made, which is a lizard tongue. It looks like this. Has a slit in the back. It is made out of 2 pieces of paper. I took 2 pieces of paper and then I glued down the edges. But before I glued it, I took Scotch tape and I lined the inside and a little bit of the outside so the saliva would not wet the paper and tear it. Then I spray painted the tongue outside in the grass. Then I took a hole puncher and I punched little holes into a piece of cardboard that has some yellow and orange in it, and this gave me the dots. Then you have a lizard tongue. And it is now time for me to get into full costume, do up my hair, and show you my complete and finished look. I do hope you enjoyed my Googly Eye Chameleon Lizard makeup tutorial, so please check out my other makeup tutorials
which is right here on the back of the wall. All these makeup tutorials that I've done, most of them are original. So please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.